Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. Today I have to begin with a little bit of a confession. Sometimes when I'm writing the material for our Lexical Lab online English language lessons, I start out doing a little bit of online research and end up vanishing down a rabbit hole where I become fascinated with some weird and wonderful area and spend 3 or 4 hours reading up on it and watching videos about it and so on. And so it was that this morning I ended up spending about 2 hours reading in bemused wonder about a new kind of underwear that's been designed using space technology. Apparently this allows the underwear to be made of a breathable fabric which, and I'm quoting here, allows ventilation in critical sweat zones. Make of that what you will. If you say make of that what you will at the end of a sentence or a little story, it basically means I'll leave you to interpret that as you see fit. I'll let you decide what you think that means. Let me give you one more example. One of my neighbours, who has been quite happily working from home for much of the last year during the pandemic, has recently been told that she now has to go back into her office in central London 4 days a week. When she told me this the other day, I asked her how she was feeling about it. And she said, listen, I wouldn't say I'm depressed or anything, but this morning I did end up eating 4 donuts in rapid succession, one after another. So make of that what you will. I'll leave you to decide what you think that means. If you've enjoyed this video, please do share it with your friends, with your colleagues, with your students. Please do click the like button, the thumbs up, as it helps us with the algorithm. And in the comments section below, please do give us examples of when you might use make